As I was still stacking here, still merging. Life's going pretty solid for us right now. Another PayPal ad. Wow. I'm not going to watch that one, I think. Okay. Alright, I swear I just hit the X then and it took me to an ad anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Today we are playing 2048 Balls Merge. Now this is apparently a free cash reward game of sorts. Who knows what is happening right now? Here we go. Look, it says congratulations, PayPal get. Get what? Get PayPal? Sure, let's get PayPal, everyone. I just got 66 USD. Apparently I need to have 100 USD to cash out. Let's add that to the wallet. Hell yeah. Alright, everyone. Now we're talking here, dude. This is 66 PayPal dollars. Okay. Let's merge the ball here. Just turn that into 8. Okay, cool, cool. Going pretty straightforward so far. I do hope you guys do enjoy, by the way. I've never played a game like this before. I have no idea what I'm in for. I mean, to me, all these games are just pretty much rigged or scams. But I'm not going to lie to you. Like, I'm going to be honest, guys. I don't think I'm ever going to get this stuff in my PayPal. That's just an FYI. But either way, let's try and merge the balls as much as we can here. Oh, look. Congratulations, PayPal, get. I just claimed it, guys, and it's taking me to an ad straight away here. Okay, game, no worries. Make money to play the best games on your phone. Sure, whatever. Okay, I am now on Play Spot Australia somehow. We've just ended up on here, guys, so it looks like it's taking me to a whole nother game. Interesting, alright, so Play Spot Australia. This is taking me to something completely different right now. So I've just gone back to the game, okay? Oh, look, we're actually back here. Cool. Okay, sick. Let's keep merging these balls together, hey? So 16, 16, 16. Very easy so far. Let's go 4. I'm assuming it's going to get much harder as time goes on. I mean, that's the only thing I can imagine. I wonder if anyone else has had good luck with this game or not. Has anyone actually cashed out apps like this? Because to me, as I said earlier, I don't ever think I'm going to get the PayPal money. Let's go get. You ready? Get. Nice. I got $1 again. Okay, claim. Where's it going to take me now? Back to Play Spot Australia. Let's open that up. Does it give me the money? Nope. Didn't give me anything. Okay, let's go cash out. What happens? $5 through PayPal. I need to redeem. I don't have that much money. So that's just pretty much an ad. Literally, does nothing. You want a welcome credit of $1. This is just an ad that goes back and forth, back and forth. So it's almost like this game is like a proxy of sorts to take you to that play spot ad, guys, so you can actually then redeem your PayPal credits, if that makes sense. What a weird setup this app has, dude. Just straight off the bat, that's a bit weird to me. Definitely. Look, another PayPal ad. No, thank you. I'm not playing that game again. Although you can actually click on it as well. Wow, they're not trying to force that down your throat at all. Let's just be real. Either way, let's keep going. Let's go try and get 16 here. Where should I put the 16 next to the 8, you reckon? Sure, why not? I'll put that there. Oh, nice. We can actually merge that there into 32, into 64. Congratulations. Is this going to be the same ad again? Let's see. Spin to win 1,000. Oh, it's an actual paid ad now. Okay. Well, I can't even close it either. It's a paid one. I can't actually close it. I have to wait. So just close that ad, and now it's just giving me $1.80 USD. You need to have 100 USD to cash out. Okay, let's add that to the wallet. There we go, $1.80, guys. Nice. Now on $67.80. Beautiful. Let's keep the grind up here, shall we? Got to earn that cash, boys and girls. As I said, right now, this is no challenge whatsoever. Oh, look, another PayPal. Really? Another PayPal. Get. Nice. Just watch another ad to get $1.60 USD, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So we're on 69.40 right now. Man, I'd love to see if anyone's grinded all the way up to $100 to get that $100 gift card, apparently. Seriously, game. As I was still stacking here, still merging. Life's going pretty solid for us right now. Another PayPal ad. Wow. I'm not going to watch that one, I think. Okay. Alright, I swear I just hit the X then and it took me to an ad anyway. Ugh, I hate games that do that. I really, really do. Alright, let's go 8, 16, nice, merged into 32. Let's start another 4 here. Let's go. 4 into 8. Good. 4 into 8, hopefully that merges together. Another PayPal ad there, that's alright, let's close that. It didn't force me into an ad this time, wow. What a novel concept. Level up, level 2. Sick. And it's just a big black box there, not showing me anything. That's a bit weird. Alright, let's go level 2. Level 2, I'm saying ball 2. Ball 4. Problem is they keep bouncing everywhere. I want to try and merge them all together, but I don't think it's going to work out the way I want. Oh, wow. That did not go to plan. That did not go to plan at all. Alright, let's merge all these together. 4, 4, 4 into 8. PayPal again. No. No, game. It just forces the ad down your throat. I love that. That's great. Okay. 2. Nice. 2, 2, 2. So that pretty much it's made me download so far an app that apparently gives me real life money, and apparently gives me PayPal ads, everyone. So that is 2,048 balls merged so far. Legit. Let's watch the video quickly. Alright, I got $1.05, everyone, for watching that ad there. There you go. So the game is literally rewarding me for watching their ads. There you have it. I mean, I guess, in all honesty, then the developer does win a whole bunch of money, let's be real. Especially if this isn't a real game. Let's just say I get to 100 PayPal credits. Who says they're going to have to actually pay me out? They might not even... This might not even be real at all. Just saying. So apparently I have to get 256 merged here to try and get to the next stage. So we'll just do that now if we can. 8 and 8, no. Close the PayPal, done. Okay, then still forces me to do an ad. Love that. Seriously, game. What if I click the PayPal button?
Hi guys.
Oh, straight to an ad. Alright, well, $1.05. Thanks, game, for that random ad. That's good. So we still haven't merged enough balls to actually get to the next stage here of this game. Just an FYI, everyone, we still haven't hit that point yet. That's okay, we'll keep trying to grind here. 8, 16 into 32. Okay, PayPal ad again. I think we've got an ad like every second here, dude. Legit. 4 into 8. Need to try and merge these two together here if I can. Somehow. Magically. But stop spamming me with that PayPal ad. Oh. Seriously. Close that down. There we go. I'm going to try and merge this together as much as I can here. Got a 16 blocking two of these together here, dude. Bloody hell, 16. What are you doing to me? 2 into 4. There you go, into 8. Just going to close this down again. So I can't actually reach that 2 right now, sadly. That's a bit of a pain. You got a 4 there as well, wow. Let's roll straight down into 2. 4. 4, 8, 16. Nice. Can I get the 2 down there? No, can't. 8, 8, 16, 32. That's going to turn into there. Okay. Just spam me with an ad again. That's alright. It's a lightning slot machine game. Go 8, 2. Oh, it didn't work. That's right, 2, 8. Oh, of course I get the 8 there. 4. No, slid straight down. Whoops. Oh, level 3. Cool. Oh, for God's sake. Seriously. Can I skip this? There we go. Done. 4 into 4 into 8 into 16 there. Good. Finally got a 16, guys. Very good. Now got a 32 there as well. Good stuff. Just don't have another 2. That's the only problem. 8, 16. Turn it to a 32 as well. Another ad. Alright, that's it. Enough of this app, everyone. This is getting me nowhere. Seriously, what a game this is, man. I wonder if it's actually going to pay people out. That's the question. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of this game. See you later, everyone. See you in the next videos.